Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside your comp with the layers prepared. First, select the layer you want to modify and make sure it's visible. This avoids changing hidden elements. Once done, check whether that layer is a pre-comp. If so, you may need to open the pre-comp to edit blending inside it. Next, reveal the modes column in the timeline. Toggle the switches /modes button if you don't see it. This gives you immediate access to blending controls, so you can start making visual changes now. Now that modes are visible, click the mode drop-down beside your layer and choose a blending mode like Multiply, Screen, Overlay, or Soft Light. You're modifying how Pixel Math combines that layer with the ones beneath it, so you can test modes quickly to compare results. Once you pick a mode, tweak the layer opacity to soften the effect and reorder layers if necessary. Layer stacking changes composite outcomes. If you have multiple layers to adjust, select them and use keyboard shortcuts to cycle modes rapidly while previewing the frame changes. Finish by refining the composite. Add adjustment layers for global tweaks, apply masks to limit where the blend applies, or pre-compose to isolate complex stacks. Make sure color depth and linear color management settings match your intent. These affect how modes calculate results. If things look wrong, check for nested pre-comps, 3D layer interactions, or transfer modes overridden by effects. These are common issues. If you still have artifacts, toggle the layer off and on, then reapply the mode to confirm changes took effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.